So we got this guy, and you know it's fancy because it's in a regular brown box thing. Oh, and this is the, yeah, first impression. It's a, I guess I can give a little description. So it's an adapter for my J1772. For those that know the actual number, it's basically the plug that's for EVs. So I'll talk about that more here in a sec. So we are out of real estate space here. Yeah, go eat your food, kiddo. He's hovering around. He wants to see it too. Alrighty. So this is, hold on. Let's see if we can get some better light. Okay, that's a little bit better. But yeah, this is what we were just saying. That's a big hand. It is the adapter, and it's actually pretty, it's pretty hefty. It's inexpensive, but yeah, it's the adapter that basically goes, we want it to go from a Tesla plug to, as I said before, the J1772. So this is the end that'll go into my car, and then this will be what goes from the Tesla plug. But yeah, we're gonna give this guy a try. It's inexpensive. Most of these adapters that I've been seeing has been like in the hundreds, so I'm curious at how well this is gonna work. It's rated pretty much the same thing that I've seen the other ones at 40 amps at 240 volts, which is pretty much what all of the J1772 is, like the top of the line. You know, 40 amps is what it's rated for, which is good. Most of them really don't go that much. Most of them are about 32 amps at max. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. And I guess stay tuned for the review for that. We'll try and see if we can get this turned around pretty quick. I think I know a place I can go try this. And again, this is not for superchargers, to be clear. That is not for superchargers. That's not what it's meant to be for. Because this is an AC charge to most cars, most EV cars. This is only for AC, AC currents. So this will not work for superchargers, which is DC to DC. That in my car does CHAdeMO anyway. So, but I figured if I can get an adapter like this, this gives me a little bit more options of places I can charge. So if I'm at a hotel or something that has a Tesla only plug, they probably aren't a supercharger anyways. So this gives me an option so I can still charge there too. So that's the other reason why we got this guy. But yeah, we'll give it a shot and see how it works. If it doesn't work, obviously we can, that's why I want to test it quickly, because if it doesn't work, then I want to return it. There's no sense in keeping something like this that doesn't work. But yeah, stay tuned to the review. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And as you guys saw before, I mean, we have over 90% people that aren't subscribed that are watching my, it doesn't cost you anything. It doesn't cost you anything. So please hit the subscribe, guys. And as always, stay charged, stay safe, and we'll see you next time. Bubba wanted to be in the video. So, yeah. Sweet baby boy. It's 2024. You wanted to see more of them. Yeah.